mega beat.
Start in the morning, fresh cup of coffee, got some breakfast in us.
Cracking locking, your boy Darius. I'll fuck the video up. Try to beat it.
Huh?
Start a little.
So what we got here, Darius?
So we got a C15, a little 3.8.
No, that's a 4.3, no?
Yeah, that's a 4.3.
Yeah, there's no 3.8s back in the day.
In my head.
That was gonna be a cool little project, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna pull it out. It's just what, unplug like 3 connectors and it's out.
Yep, disconnect the exhaust. Pull them bolts out. Huh?
Oh yeah, no, I wasn't charging.
That shit has
It's a used battery.
It is. That shit has a liquid.
All right, go crank it. We're gonna connect it now.
They both use black cables.
Yeah, but that one right there.
This one's ground.
This is positive.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm trying to. I had to check because them dumb asses.
Because knowing Darius, no, I'm just kidding. Knowing Darius,
if not want to blow the computer on here.
Dude, we can always find one in the fucking junkyard.
No, the thing is, on these shits, it's kind of hard because you got to match the numbers. You got to find a computer with that matching number on it. That shit is kind of hard. Don't ask me how I know.
How do you know?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I had to do it with a load.
Go. Go. Nothing?
It's a computer.
No, it's not the computer.
No spark. Oh, this way. Go get a spark plug. Well, how did I do it? Oh yeah, you get a screwdriver, stick it in there, then you see if it's sparking. No spark. No gas. No, you can see if it's getting spark, then it's getting this and that, and then then it's probably something with the cam sensor. And you ain't seen no fuel come out? It was spraying no gas at all?
No.
No?
Don't put it close to there, man. What if that shit blows up?
Just look at this.
Put it on the exhaust.
You gotta put it somewhere dark.
The exhaust. On the manifold. Yeah. Go.
You should show the arc. Take your hand off the body though, that shit.
Huh?
1,000 volts, that shit is a joke, man. No spark?
No.
No?
Unless it's not touching anything.
No, it ain't sparking. I'll get it, no, it ain't sparking. Alright? Just take your hand off the car so you don't ground the car.
Hold on. Go.
And then we gotta do is check the feed. See if it pop the it might be electrical. Let's see if it pop the
Alright guys, so we came to the conclusion that it was the what? What was it, Darius?
the fucking ejector wires.
And what else?
That's it.
What happened with the
Oh, it fucking blew the computer.
fucking computers, man? This is the first time he touches his truck since he bought it, guys.
So, first time I fucking touched a fucking Chevy.
Alright, so right now we're just gonna fix those 2 wires. Fucking go to the junkyard, go get a fucking ECU real quick. And hopefully this shit will fucking turn on. We'll go from there. Alright, so right now we're in the process of removing the fuel pump. Had an extreme coolant leak. So right now we're just gonna reseal it. Right now the whole purpose is for us to just get it started, just so you can drive it around while we pick up a 5.3. Later on we're gonna do a 5.3 swap, so you know, stay tuned for that. We'll go through the process just in case you guys want to try it at home or some shit. Right now we want to struggle, so we didn't take off the fucking fan clutch, but you know, it is what it is, right? So right now we just need 2 more bolts. Already got those 2 bolts off. Probably give it a little clean before we even install it, right, Darius? Yeah. Should clean it a little bit, make it look pretty, and then probably need a new belt. And we'll go from there. Once we have it on, then we'll know exactly what hurts. So can't fix it if you don't know what's wrong, right? Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the water pump off. Look how fucked up this shit is.
It was leaking right here.
Yeah, from the back cover. Right here.
So go get, what is that? 11?
Those are 10s.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna put some RTV on there. Let it dry up.
Yeah.
And send it. I think they want to clean it too.
Now we'll probably paint it.
They saw on the rims, dude.
Already? Alright. But right now, let's just get it started. But those rims, dude, they look pretty badass. Una limpiada.
Oh shit. But look, I found some really cheap fucking rims.
So that's how the water pump looks like, guys. I guess they weren't using coolant. They're probably using water for a cool minute. It's just fucking disgusting. Alright, let's give it a clean. Let's see how it turns out. Alright, so as I was washing it, I just saw that the blades are broken. Every single blade. So this shit looks more like a Ninja Star than a fucking water pump. So right now we already ordered a new one, and we'll go from there. Beautiful. Alright, we're not even gonna fuck with this. I'm assuming that it's good. It being brand new. Alright. Let's go install this bad boy. See how it fits after. Heading back to the shop. Stop by to get something to drink.